Hi, my name is Sean Fortner. I'm a design engineer here at Carbon. Today I'm going to show you the offset operation, which is a pro feature in the design engine. This allows you to offset the surface of your boundary mesh directly in the software at a specified distance. This gives you control over the placement of the generated struts relative to the boundary mesh. In the UI, once you have your input meshes loaded, you're going to start by removing the default windows strut lattice and solidify, and then select offset. You'll choose your input mesh that you want to use as the offset and specify the distance to offset. Use a negative value here if you'd like to offset inward or inset. Once your offset is generated, it's best to visualize it using the clipping plane in the UI. And here we see the offset mesh is inset 0.5 millimeters in from your original design space. Now you can utilize this offset mesh to generate your strut lattice and solidified lattice by specifying the offset design space on the left. And that's how you use the offset operation.